Hey, I'm Khushbu.
And I'm Pratik.
Welcome to SVPCET YouTube channel.
Once again, we are here, day 2 of Technics 2K18.
Hello everyone, I'm Vipul. I'm a civil engineering student, final year student from VIT Vellore, and I came to know about this event from a friend, and I thought it will be a really good event, so I came here to participate. I'm one of the participants, and the first stage was we have to take off from one point A, and we have to just go to land on the point B. There are two landing spot, taking off spot and landing spot. In the second round, we have to pass through the loops and all, and we have to land on the landing pad.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Janmijay.
Mine is Karan Sethi.
कौन से स्कूल से हो?
अभी हिस्लब में वी आर फ्रॉम हिस्लब कॉलेज. वी बोथ आर फ्रॉम हिस्लब कॉलेज 11th स्टैंडर्ड.
Will you show us your robot?
या दिस इज़ अ ड्रोन. ये हमने 2 महीने पहले ही बनाया था और बहुत प्रैक्टिस वगैरह की है इस पे पूरा. ये हमने बेसिकली IDRL इवेंट के लिए बनाया था. ये रेसिंग ड्रोन है.
We just get into this hobby 2 months ago and we are practicing for this hobby now. And we came into this competition and we get so much experience, and from Vipul Bhaiya he gave so much information about this more, and we are gaining experience from these competitions.
Hi, what's your name?
Nikhil.
Tell us something about your event.
My event is Aqua Combat 3.0 and it's a legacy event, and it's the third time we are dealing with this event. So basically there are 3 rounds in this event. First round is the time completion round, where a boat has to complete in a minimum time between the hurdles. And second round is the ball dragging round, where a boat has to drag a ball between the high level hurdles or moving hurdles, we can say. And the third round is the soccer round, where 2 boats are competing with each other.
Hey, what's your name?
Pranav.
Tell us about your event.
It's Ogodra 2.0. It's a robo racing event. Here, यहाँ पे हमें करना ये है कि बॉट आएगा, वो बॉट को हर्डल्स है, बॉट को चलाना है, कम से कम टाइम में मैक्सिमम हर्डल्स क्लियर करने हैं.
My name is Yash.
Tell us something about your event.
Actually, CraneBot is a pick and place robo event in which you have to pick object from one position and place it to another position, avoiding obstructions and in minimum time to take the points.
First of all, thanks to our sponsors, Anil Chat Center, CAD-CAM Guru, Vikalp Education System, and now I am like to thanks our faculty coordinator.
My name is Vaishnav.
Tell us something about your event.
Okay, as you can see, our event's name is Robo Soccer. It's nothing but playing of the game soccer using robots. Basically, we have divided this whole event into 2 parts, that is wired battles and wireless battles. This is the 3rd year of Robo Soccer.
शीतल मेश्राम, निकिता गुडे, संप्रीति रॉय,
सुश्रुत आष्टीकर.
Tell us something about your event.
Our event CryptJam was an app-based online treasure hunt event. In that, participants were given one app. In their images and audios and videos, 3 kinds of questions were present. They had to Google the answers on internet, enter them, and crack the next level.
We hope you enjoyed Technics 2K18.
Meet you next year. Till then, bye.
Bye.